Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about one of the tools that I use all the time in my workshop when rebuilding motorcycles. That is the Real Avid bench vise. It's a 5-inch 360 ball-mounted vise with locking pin. So this comes real in handy for people that are not having to do giant, huge vices that need to like hammer on it. You can do that kind of stuff with this, but this is just to hold things in place, and if you need to hold them in an awkward position, this thing is where it shines. So here's where the 360 kind of comes in handy, is you are able to move it around, twist it to whatever position, and it has a lever down here that locks it into position, and it is solid. But on top of that, if you need more torque or more stability, you can lock it into either a vertical position with the pin, or you can lock it into a my motorcycle's in the way a little bit, but into a horizontal position with the pin. This really comes in handy when I'm trying to do things such as getting something level or holding something level. And on top of that, if it's not perfectly level, you can adjust it just by a little bit, so you can have the perfect position with this adjuster. To add on to why I love this vise so much is it has essentially 3 jaw systems. You have a hard plastic, almost pipe mounted setup that I've used a lot for all different pipes and things like that. It fits pipes right in there pretty well. Whenever I'm dealing with redoing forks on motorcycles, I need something soft to grab onto it, and that's where these thick, dense foam pads come into play. And you'll see here that I've used it on this motorcycle currently, which is an old Ducati, that I was able to service those forks and hold those forks in certain positions in order to drain them. And it really came in handy because I didn't want to damage those forks. And even this plastic, I didn't want to damage them with it, so I had this nice option of the soft, dense foam. But on top of that, you get the hard plastic, the soft foam, and then if you really need to grab something, you have the metal placement, and these are textured to have better grip. So if you're really wanting to grab a piece of metal and bend it or anything like that, you do have that option as well. Another thing on top of that is this thing has a tiny footprint. I was able to bolt it into this small workbench, and it does not take up a bunch of space. I need something small. I don't need something crazy heavy duty. I don't need something really industrial. I just need something to hold on to stuff when I'm wrenching on it, or when I just need it to be held in an awkward position. This brand, Real Avid, has become famous for being a gun vise, but for me, it works perfectly for working on motorcycles. When I need to hold, for instance, a brake caliper, but when I was taking them apart, these bolts in here were seized, and I put these in here, and I held them down, and I was able to get enough torque or enough hold to untorque these bolts to be able to take these calipers apart. And that really came in handy with several other jobs. There was several things that this old motorcycle behind me took to break loose old things, and this thing came such in handy. If you're looking for a vise that can hold something and doesn't have to be industrial size, I recommend the Avid 360 vise for you guys. Thanks.